Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today video topic is smart and stylish thermos teapots from Alibaba you can buy today. Let's start. Product 012L double wall vacuum insulation stainless steel flask kettle. Product details: looking for a powerful thermos that keeps your drinks hot or cold all day. Meet the 2-liter double wall vacuum insulated stainless steel flask. Designed with premium stainless steel, it locks in heat and freshness for hours. Perfect for coffee, tea, or hot water. The large 2-liter capacity makes it ideal for home, office, travel, or outdoor adventures. Leak-proof, durable, and stylish. It's also a perfect gift. Upgrade your daily drink experience today. Check the link below and grab yours now. Thanks for watching. Product 02 Luxury Arabic Style 1000 ml Thermos Teapot. Product details: looking for a stylish way to keep your coffee hot for hours? Meet the custom logo 1000 ml Arabic Style Thermos Teapot. Designed with elegant Middle Eastern inspiration and powerful vacuum insulation, this premium coffee pot keeps drinks hot or cold all day long. With its large 1000 ml capacity, smooth pour spout, and leak-proof design, it's perfect for home, office, or hosting guests. Add your custom logo for the perfect business or gift solution. Luxury design, long-lasting temperature, everyday convenience. Order now from Alibaba. Quality you can feel in every pour. Product 03 New design 1000 ml insulated Arabic coffee pot. Product details and performance in one perfect thermos. Introducing the new design 1000 ml insulated Arabic coffee pot. With a beautiful pink glass inner, it keeps your coffee and tea hot for hours without changing the taste. The luxury Arabic design makes every pour feel premium, whether at home or with guests. Leak-proof, stylish, and built for everyday use. Upgrade your coffee experience today. Get yours now from Alibaba. Link in the description. Product 04 Custom Golden and Silver Arabic Tea Dala Thermal Flask. Product details: looking for luxury that stands out? Meet the custom golden and silver Arabic tea Dala Thermal Flask. Inspired by traditional Arabic design and built with modern insulation, this elegant coffee pot keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours. The pink glass inner liner preserves pure flavor, while the stunning gold and silver finish adds a premium touch to any table. Perfect for Arabic coffee, tea, gifting, or hospitality use. Upgrade your serving style today. Check the link below and experience true elegance. Product 05 Average Design 1000 ml Luxury Coffee Pot. Product details: looking for a touch of luxury this Ramadan and Eid? Meet the Average Design 1000 ml Arabic Style Dala Thermos. Inspired by traditional Arabic coffee pots and crafted with modern insulation, it keeps your coffee hot for hours without losing flavor. With its elegant gold finish, smooth pour spout, and premium stainless steel interior, it's perfect for family gatherings, special guests, or luxury gifting. Celebrate tradition with modern style. Order now from a verified Alibaba supplier. Link below. Product 06 Arabic Coffee Thermos Vacuum Flask Jug. Product details: experience the perfect blend of tradition and modern design with this Arabic coffee thermos vacuum flask. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it keeps your coffee hot for hours, fresh, rich, and flavorful. The elegant Dala style design with a smooth wooden handle makes every pour feel special, whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet moment. With a generous 1.0-liter capacity and leak-proof pouring, it's perfect for home, office, or travel. Upgrade your coffee experience today. Click the link and bring timeless elegance to every cup. Product 07 Stainless Steel Professional Dala Halibut Pot 1000 ml. Product details: upgrade your tea and coffee experience with this luxury stainless steel Arabic Dala Thermos. Designed with a classic Middle Eastern look and modern insulation, it keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours. With a 1000 ml capacity, premium stainless steel body, and spill-free pouring, it's perfect for home, office, or special gatherings. Elegant, durable, and practical, this Dala pot isn't just a flask, it's a statement of style. Perfect for tea lovers, coffee lovers, and luxury gifting. Product 08 1200 milliliters double wall insulated stainless steel teapot. Product details. Tired of your drinks losing temperature too fast? Meet the double wall stainless steel teapot, 1200 ml. This premium insulated pitcher keeps your tea hot for hours and your water ice cold all day. Made with food grade stainless steel. It features double wall vacuum insulation, a leak proof lid, and an easy pour spout for mess free serving. Perfect for home, office, travel, or entertaining guests. Stylish, durable, and built for everyday use. Upgrade your beverage game today. Product 09 Large 304 Leak-Proof Thermos Flask. Product details. Introducing the ultimate travel companion. The Large 304 Leak-Proof Thermos. Keep your coffee, tea, or hot water at the perfect temperature wherever you go. Made with premium 304 stainless steel, it's leak-proof, durable, and built for everyday life. With sizes from 2 to 5 liters, it's perfect for office, travel, camping, or any adventure. Customize it with your logo for a personal touch or corporate gift. Stylish, practical, and built to last. Your perfect beverage experience starts here. Order now and sip smarter anywhere. Product 10 custom 40-ounce double wall stainless steel tumbler with straw travel coffee mug with lid. Product details. Meet your new favorite travel companion, the custom 40 ounces stainless steel tumbler. With double wall insulation, it keeps your coffee hot for over 12 hours or your iced drinks cold for a full day. The leak-proof lid and straw make it perfect for commuting, workouts, or outdoor adventures. Customize it with your name or logo and make every sip uniquely yours. Durable, eco-friendly, and stylish. This tumbler is more than a drinkware, it's a statement. Grab yours today and sip in style wherever life takes you. Product 11 DKD Cup Thermal Cup and Pot Set. Product details. Meet the DKD Cup Thermal Cup and Pot Set, the ultimate way to enjoy your coffee, tea, or iced beverages. Made with premium, titanium, and double wall vacuum insulation, it keeps your drinks hot for up to 12 hours or refreshingly cold for 24. The touch-sensitive handle ensures a safe, spill-free grip, while the large capacity means you'll never run out of your favorite drink. Lightweight, durable, and stylish. This is perfect for home, office, or on the go. Give yourself or someone you love the gift of perfectly served beverages anytime, anywhere. Get your DKAD cup set today. Product 12 TM Zone 8 3 business gift thermos, mug and massage, power bank set. Product details. Looking for a premium business gift that truly stands out? Meet the TM Zone 8 3 luxury 3-in-1 gift set. It includes a vacuum insulated thermos mug to keep drinks hot or cold, a powerful net massage device for instant relaxation, and a portable power bank to stay charged anywhere. All packed in a sleek, luxury gift box, perfect for executives, corporate gifting, or special occasions. Smart, stylish, and incredibly useful. The perfect gift for today's busy lifestyle. Product 13 RU Kiln Travel High-End Portable Ceramic Tea Set. Product details. Looking for a luxury tea experience you can take anywhere? Introducing the RU Kiln Travel High-End Portable Ceramic Tea Set. Crafted from premium RU Kiln ceramic, this elegant set delivers rich flavor and perfect heat retention. Every single brew with one pot and up to 4 cups, it's ideal for outdoor parties, travel, or peaceful tea moments on the go. Compact, stylish, and easy to use. This set turns any place into a tea ceremony. Elevate your tea time. Brew anywhere. Experience RU Kiln luxury. Product 14 Large capacity stainless steel vacuum thermos flask. Product details. Looking for a thermos that keeps your drinks hot all day? Meet the large capacity stainless steel vacuum thermos flask. With powerful double wall insulation, it keeps your coffee and tea hot for up to 24 hours and cold just as long. Choose 2 or 3 liters of capacity, perfect for families, offices, or guests. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it's safe, durable, and easy to pour with a leak-proof design. One refill. All-day freshness. Upgrade your tea and coffee experience today. Product 15 Modern Double Wall Vacuum Stainless Steel Pot Flask. Product details. Looking for a stylish way to keep your drinks hot or cold all day? Meet the modern double-wall vacuum stainless steel pot flask. Designed with premium insulation, it keeps coffee hot and water refreshingly cold for hours. The sleek modern look fits perfectly in your home, office, or cafe. With a durable stainless steel body and easy pour lid, serving is smooth and mess-free every time. Perfect for daily use or bulk wholesale orders. Click the link and upgrade your drink experience today. Product 16. Modern stainless steel vacuum flask pot. Product details. Looking for a stylish way to keep your drinks hot or cold all day? Meet the high-quality stainless steel vacuum flask pot, built for performance and modern living. With powerful vacuum insulation, it keeps beverages hot or cold for up to 24 hours. Choose 3 or 4 liters of large capacity, perfect for home, office, or events. The easy push pump design makes serving smooth, clean, and effortless. Durable, elegant, and made to last. Upgrade your daily drink experience today. Check the link below and order now. From Alibaba. Product 1764 ounces, 128 ounces, double wall stainless steel, sports vacuum, flask, water bottle. Product details. Stay hydrated, stay unstoppable. Meet the 64 ounce and 128 ounce double wall stainless steel sports vacuum flask, built for gym warriors, yoga lovers, and fitness champions. This premium bottle keeps your drinks ice cold for up to 24 hours and hot for 12 with a leak-proof, sweat-free design that goes wherever you go. Strong, stylish, and perfect for private labeling. This is hydration done right. Upgrade your fitness gear today. Product 18. Smart LED temperature display thermos bottle. Product details. Tired of guessing if your coffee is too hot or already cold? Meet the Smart LED temperature display thermos bottle. Just touch the lid and instantly see the exact temperature of your drink. Built with premium stainless steel and vacuum insulation, it keeps your coffee hot and your water ice cold for hours. Perfect for travel, work, camping, or the ultimate Christmas gift. Smart, stylish, reliable. Drink smarter. Anytime, anywhere. Check the link and upgrade your daily drink today. Product 19. Black 304 grade stainless steel French press replacement filter screen. Product details. Tired of gritty coffee ruining your morning brew? Upgrade to the Black 304 stainless steel French press replacement filter screen. Made from premium food grade steel, this double wall insulated filter keeps your coffee hotter, cleaner, and smoother with every press. The fine mesh design blocks grounds while preserving rich flavor, no bitterness, no mess. Durable, rust resistant, and finished in a sleek matte black, it's the perfect upgrade for any French press. Brew better coffee every single cup. Product 20 Gaint 1L insulated vacuum thermos jug. Product details. Looking for a thermos that actually keeps drinks hot or cold for hours? Meet the Gaint 1 liter insulated vacuum thermos jug. Designed with premium stainless steel and powerful vacuum insulation, it locks in temperature and flavor all day long. The leak-proof lid means zero spills. Perfect for home, office, or travel. With a large 1 liter capacity and easy pour design, it's ideal for coffee, tea, or cold drinks anytime. Smart, stylish, reliable. Upgrade your daily drinks with Gaint because quality matters. Product 21. Large capacity vacuum thermal kettle. Product details. Looking for a smarter way to keep your drinks hot all day? Meet the large capacity vacuum thermal kettle designed for homes, dorms, and busy lifestyles. With powerful vacuum insulation, it keeps your coffee or hot water warm for hours. The wooden handle adds a premium look while giving you a safe, comfortable grip. No leaks, no mess, just reliable heat whenever you need it. Perfect for coffee lovers, students, and families. Upgrade your daily routine. Grab yours today from Alibaba. Product 22. Frank Electric Stainless Steel Kettle. Looking for a fast, safe, and stylish way to boil water? Meet the Frank Electric Stainless Steel Kettle. With a 1.7 liter capacity, it's perfect for your daily tea, coffee, or instant meals. The double wall insulation keeps water hot longer while staying cool outside. Worried about safety? Don't be. It automatically shuts off when boiling, giving you peace of mind. Sleek, durable, and easy to use. The Frank Electric Kettle is your new kitchen essential. Get yours today and enjoy hot water anytime, safely and effortlessly. Product 23 2025 Double Wall Vacuum Stainless Steel Pet Dog Water Bottle. Product details. Meet the 2025 Double Wall Vacuum Stainless Steel Pet Dog Water Bottle, the perfect companion for every adventure. Keep your dog hydrated with water that stays cold or hot for up to 24 hours. Need treats on the go? The bottom storage compartment has you covered. With a large capacity, durable stainless steel design, and easy portability, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or daily walks. Make your pet's hydration easy, stylish, and safe. Get yours now and give your furry friend the hydration they deserve. Product 24. Customized logo, smart temperature display with glass. Inner canteen thermos jug. Product details. Introducing the ultimate smart water kettle for your home. The customized logo, smart temperature display, household water kettle. With its sleek red bile glass design and portable thermos jug functionality, you can carry hot water wherever you go. Its smart temperature display lets you know the perfect temperature for tea, coffee, or baby formula every time. Plus, you can customize it with your logo, perfect for gifts or branding. Durable, stylish, and convenient. This kettle keeps your beverages hot for hours. Upgrade your hydration experience today. Thanks for watching.